Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we're with Swartz Restoration. We're here in Beaverdam, Ohio, to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or business, we're here for you. Maybe you have a water leak in your kitchen and it saturates the floor, or maybe a water supply line breaks on your dishwasher or your washing machine and it seeps all the way down to the basement, or maybe your sump pump backs up, or a storm even rolls through the area and you have all sorts of water damage left in your home. We're here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our goal to care for people going through water damage, fire damage, storm damage, anything that would happen to their home or their business. And we really have a heart and a desire to care for people going through those specific situations. So if you find yourself, your home, your business going through one of these situations, feel free to call us at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.